Okay, so I'm up here at the front of the trailer, and I'm basically looking for a way to pump the surge brake piston, the actual master here. So what I got rigged up here is I just took one of the chains and looped it back so that now I can just go like this and get a good pump on it and hold it forever, and then actually let it back off, and then you just gotta pull back to get it to undo. So on these older trailers, you want to use a .3 brake fluid. That's the older spec. Apparently .5 and the newer stuff can actually tear up your seals in the wheel cylinders. Alright, well, we used about almost a full bottle of brake fluid here, pumping it through, and finally got from like sewer water, really brown, to nice and clean, or relatively clean. So that's good. The actual hitch has good pressure. I can feel when he lets off the bleeder. So I'm probably gonna get this out of the shop, clean up a little bit, and send this thing for sandblast and paint. So I'm excited about that.